Hey Stampers, I am Dimich here with ddStamps.com, and today I'm here to introduce you to day 7 of the 12 days of crafting with the Stampin' Up! Advent calendar. So if you're not aware, if you purchase this calendar from me, I will send you a packet of supplies to complete all the projects that I've done in the 12 days when I'm done. How this works is I open up a door, so if you don't want to see what's in the calendar, do not watch the video any farther. I open up the door for the day and then figure out a project to make with that particular project. And I'd like to pull in as many as I can from the days before, but we'll see. My goal was to pull everything in, but we don't need these cards to get ridiculous. So anyway, I'm going to flip my camera. We'll open up day 7 and see what we got. All right, day 7. Here it is. So we're going to, I just use my finger to break the tabs on that. Ah, more dies. All right, interesting. So the second set of dies looks like this. They're very interesting. Not truly my style, but I'll figure out something. This one has a little, not only does it cut out, but it has a little stitching line too. So, all right, this is going to be an interesting one. Hang on, let's see what I come up with. All right, I think I have a plan. So I have to be honest, I'm not thrilled. These are okay. And I think what I've come up with is great. Probably not dies that I would use every day. But, you know, they'll do. I loved this, so I cut it out of the other half of the sheet of paper that I had. And I figured, let's cut them all. So I cut two rectangles, a square, and then a white square for the inside. And I'm going to make this a birthday card. So I'm going to take this piece here and I'm going to make it with the cupcake with the stamps. And I think we'll do a flirty flamingo bottom. I thought about cutting these out, but I don't really want to. So there's my cupcake bottom. I'm going to make a yellow top. Crushed curry, I guess. Kind of cute. And then I saw, what did I do with it? I saw the little, oh, I hope I left it on the sheet. Yeah. So I think that this is the inside of the butterfly. And I think I might be able to get away with making it into a candle. Maybe. Probably going to go off the edge a little bit, but that's all right. Oh, I don't want yellow. I want a pink candle. And I could have actually, probably still can kind of come into that and just make some candles with that. And then on this, okay, so let me put these together. And again, I'm just going to be kind of careful where I put them. Oops. I might stamp that over. I'm not thrilled with my cupcake, but I think I can fix it and make it so I like it better. Oh, good gosh. I suppose this is probably already dry, but I do want to move it over. So you have a little bit of time, but not a lot of time. Oh, good. It's going to work. I just want this one over just a tad. And then this one in the middle. And then we're going to restamp this. So I will sorry, I'm sure that clanking sounds terrible. So I'm going to stick with the flamingo bottom. I'm going to ink up the cupcake top in crushed curry, but then I'm going to stamp it down. And then I'm going to stamp it on here. And I'm going to like that yellow better, much better. And then I can take, if I want to, and do a little candle. All right. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to ink up the the butterfly body just halfway. And I'm going to stamp that down. And then I'm going to clean it off. And I'm going to stamp the butterfly like head. And stamp that down. And I'm going to stamp it a couple times. So maybe it'll look like a flame. It's not bad. It's not bad for a thought that was in my head. This is actually going to get placed on here. And I might do a little bit of a layer. So this die is like 1 3/4. Might do a little 2-inch square of cardstock. Let's see what I got here. Just to make that cupcake stand out a little better. Let's see. So I have this 2-inch square. I think it needs to be smaller. And I don't like the color. Okay, let's try crushed curry. Yeah. Nope, not going to work. I'm just going to stick with this. I'll put this up on dimensionals. Like that. I'm going to ink up the birthday with the, oh, maybe not. Maybe I'll put a, I had a heart there, but I'm not going to. I'm just going to do birthday wishes. So I'll ink that all up. And I'm stamping that down in flamingo. And then I'll come in with one of these little puffy cupcakes. Or a bow or a flower or whatever. Kind of cute. And there is the next card. All right, so that's card number 7. And it's okay. It's fun. It would be fast. You could make one very quickly, and some little girl would love it. So, day 7, day 8 tomorrow. See you then. Bye.